This is code.org. Let's take a look at this code together. Keep in mind, once you select a hit answer and hit run, your answer is submitted. And your teacher can see your answer. If I'm your teacher, I can see your answer. So let's think about this. Make sure you follow along. And yeah, you want to consider this. It's important. Look closely at the nested, fancy word. Nested loops, as we've learned, means one loop inside of another. So a loop inside of a loop. Look closely at the nested loops below. What will happen when you click run? Okay, so here's my new loop. Repeat 3 times, right? Since it repeats, we call that a loop. The nested loop is this one. Repeat 2 times. So there's a repeat block and a repeat. Let's talk about it. Repeat 3 times. Move forward. Okay, so I'll go ahead and move forward. Then what? Well, repeat 2 times. Okay, so I moved forward once. I'm now going to move forward again. Zoop, okay. Get nectar, check. Hit the bottom. I gotta go all the way back to the top because I have to repeat this one more time. I would move forward, okay. Get nectar, cool. Now I'm done. I've repeated that twice. Hit the bottom here, turn right, hit the bottom, zoop. Gotta repeat this 2 more times, so I'd move forward. Repeat this twice, move forward, get nectar. Yep, hit the bottom, zoop, move forward, get nectar. And then turn right. It looks like, let's see. The bee will move forward and get nectar only 1 time. Well, no, because how many times? It looks like they're repeating. The bee will get only 2 nectars, 2 units. Well, no, because we turn and we're going to keep going around. I think the bee's going to get all the nectar. All right, make sure you're considering this closely. I'm giving this a shot. Yum, yum nectar, yum, 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 yum. Cool. Now, if that didn't make sense, go back and watch this again. It's important stuff that you need to understand. Onward.